Hello everyone, welcome back to TixJams. Want to see which Instagram reels your friends have liked? If you are not sure where to find this feature, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you exactly how to access it, who you can see and why it may not appear for some accounts. So let's get it started. First, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you are using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, install the latest version first. This is a new feature, so if your app is not updated, you may not see it. Once Instagram is updated, open the app. Now go to the profile of the friends whose like reels you want to see. Before anything else, make sure you both follow each other. Tap following on their profile. If you see your account in their following list, that means they follow you back. This feature only works for mutual followers, so if they don't follow you back, you won't be able to see the reels they have liked. Now go back to the Instagram homepage, tap the Reels tab at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap Friends. Here, Instagram will show reels that your mutual friends have liked. If you see your friend's profile picture on reel, tap it to see who liked the reels. And you can continue swiping through the feed to discover more reels your friends have liked. If you don't see the friends tab yet, do not worry. This feature is still rolling out, so it may not be available for every account or every region yet. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date, and if it is still missing, you may just need to wait for a future Instagram update. And that's it. If this video help you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TixJams, and I will see you in the next video.